By 2022, affiliate marketing spending by US companies will increase to $8.2 billion from the $5.4 billion estimated in 2017. In Sweden, where 96% of people use the internet every day, there was a relatively saturated market for internet usage. We can observe that there has been an increased adaptation to online environments due to the additional constraints of having to work from home and maybe having to be secluded for significant sections of the pandemic years. It is challenging for any marketing strategy to endure the test of time in the face of competition and technological advancement. But affiliate marketing is still popular. Therefore, this video aims to be a helpful resource for companies considering using it in 2023. Currently, affiliate programs are used by 81% of global companies. Yet putting together a successful affiliate marketing strategy requires time and work. Thankfully, there are strategies to help you get back on course. We've gathered a list of affiliate marketing strategies in this video for you to go through. Number 7. Engage with users about the products. It's essential to promote interaction with your content. This is because it may increase the sense of connection between your users and your brand. Whatever you're selling, the same idea probably applies. Getting in touch with customers also offers some other advantages. For example, you might demonstrate your familiarity with the products by being able to respond to their questions. Users may then believe that you're not just advertising products to earn commissions as a result of this. You can improve your search engine optimization by increasing engagement, or SEO. Improved SEO leads to a higher ranking in search results, which may draw more prospective customers from organic traffic. Your users might not, however, always be prepared to start a conversation. Hence, to help them, we suggest providing them with clear calls to action, or CTAs. As a bonus, you could discover that this technique helps in building branding. You may become recognized as an authority by communicating clearly and consistently about products in your field. You might be able to position yourself as a thought leader if you can stay updated with developments. Number 6. Show the concrete value of products in your content. Whether you're advertising physical or digital goods, virtually all of them aim to be valuable to customers. To convince people to buy, it is important to emphasize this value. Because of this, you can't rely simply on sending visitors to a sales page. Instead, you should work to clearly illustrate the practical benefits of the products. This is because few individuals ever buy items without at least having a reason for doing so. Customers are often driven by either fulfilling a desire or trying to solve a problem. As a result, the best affiliate marketing techniques highlight precisely how a product satisfies these criteria. In your promotion, be sure to highlight as many product benefits as you can. Using evocative, top-notch pictures is one method to do this. Yet not every product is suited for photography. Consider adopting a number-driven strategy instead. For example, if you're marketing software, giving your customers a strong reason to purchase your product may be as simple as providing precise data on how much time or money it saves. Number 5. Keep a close eye on your analytics. Most bloggers already use site analytics, so you probably do it as well. These fundamental statistics might reveal the demographics of your content's audience. You may learn how people engage with your website using analytical data. You may concentrate on your target audience by using analytics. The person's identity is probably already known to you. Your visits, however, aren't static. With time, their interests or demographics may change. You can more effectively target your affiliate ads and content if you understand how your fan base changes. We strongly advise you to regularly review your analytics. Try to incorporate it into your marketing calendar so that you won't be surprised by any changes. Also, you might wish to keep track of the most effective content. Consider adding affiliate links to the descriptions of your videos, for example, if you see that your visitors are regular viewers. Your URLs will be more likely to be seen by interested users if you employ this trick. Number 4. Use the power of a mailing list. Mailing lists are essential tools for affiliate marketing strategies. That's because they provide two benefits. They expand your audience and keep them up to date. The first advantage is simple to understand. Your chances of making a sale increase with the size of your audience. Also, you may inform customers while promoting affiliate items in your emails. Sharing well-liked content with affiliate links might be prioritized if you want to take a subtle approach. Those who click through have a better chance of interacting with the material and seeing your links if you do it this way. You might also wish to try audience segmentation. Take one product as an example, which excels with a particular demographic. You could send those who fall into that demographic an email with information about that product. This strategy can assist in focusing your efforts while limiting unnecessary advertising to users who are not interested. You might also attempt a more direct strategy, though. Think about including a segment in your email that is dedicated to highlighting an affiliate product. You may promote the advantages of the product in a certain location this way. Also, consumers could value the method's consistency. Number 3. Be transparent with your audience. Being transparent with your audience is an important aspect of affiliate marketing. It involves disclosing your affiliate partnerships and making it clear to your audience that you may receive a commission if they purchase a product through your affiliate link. Transparency builds trust and credibility with your audience. It shows that you value their trust and are not trying to hide anything from them. By being open and honest, you can establish a long-term relationship with your audience and increase the likelihood of them purchasing through your affiliate link. There are several ways to be transparent with your audience. One way is to include a disclaimer on your website or blog that states that you may receive a commission for any products that are purchased through your affiliate links. Another way is to disclose your affiliate partnerships in any product reviews or recommendations that you make. Being transparent with your audience is not only the ethical thing to do, but it can also help you build a loyal following and increase your affiliate marketing success. Number 2. Use multiple affiliate programs. Using multiple affiliate programs is a smart strategy for affiliate marketers because it helps to diversify your income streams and increase your earnings potential. By promoting products from multiple affiliate programs, you can reach a wider audience and offer a greater variety of products to your followers. When selecting affiliate programs to join, it's important to consider several factors, such as the commission rate, the quality of the products or services, the reputation of the company, and the terms and conditions of the program. Look for programs that offer high commissions, recurring payments, and a good selection of products that are relevant to your niche. It's also important to track your performance with each affiliate program and analyze your earnings data regularly. This can help you identify which programs are performing well and which ones may not be worth your time and effort. Number 1. Promote high-quality products. Promoting high-quality products is essential in affiliate marketing. By doing so, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and increase the likelihood of your audience purchasing through your affiliate link. When choosing products to promote, it's important to select those that you have personally used or researched thoroughly. This way, you can provide your audience with an honest and accurate review of the product, which can increase their trust in your recommendations. In addition to personally vetting the products, it's also important to ensure that they are of high quality and provide value to your audience. This can be done by researching the product's features, benefits, and customer reviews. By doing so, you can ensure that you are only promoting products that will genuinely benefit your audience. Another benefit of promoting high-quality products is that they often come with a strong brand reputation. This can help to increase the credibility of your brand and increase the likelihood of your audience purchasing through your affiliate link. And that's a wrap on our best affiliate marketing tips for 2023. We hope you found these insights valuable and can use them to take your affiliate marketing to new heights. Remember, always be testing and optimizing your strategies to stay ahead of the game. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.